Are you thinking about transforming your yard into a beautiful, low-maintenance space? Installing artificial grass is a smart and easy way to achieve a lush green lawn without the hassle of traditional care. In this guide, we'll take you through simple steps to install artificial grass in your yard. First, choose the right type of artificial grass based on your needs and local weather. Next, prepare your yard by measuring the area, clearing debris, and leveling the ground. Laying down a solid base with materials like crushed stone is crucial for proper drainage and stability. Don't forget to add a weed barrier to prevent weeds from ruining your grass. Then, roll out the artificial grass and secure the edges with staples or nails. For a seamless appearance, use adhesive on larger areas. Lastly, add sand infill for stability and groom your grass for a natural look. With minimal maintenance required, your new yard will be ready for family fun and relaxation all year round. So let's get started on your artificial grass installation journey today.